Okay guys, so we're going to change, or actually fix the garage door wheel as it came out of the rail. You can see this one here compared to this one, right? So this one came out. So what we're going to do is take out the whole bracket, pull out the whole wheel, and then put it back in. Okay, so let's use our socket wrench. Okay, so we'll come back after I'm done removing these bolts. Hold on. Okay, so you can hear these bolts are loosened up. Now what I'm going to do is pull out the whole housing and place the wheel in properly. Okay, so the housing is out. I have kept the bolts securely in my pocket. So now, as you can see, the wheels are out. So we have to kind of put it back like this now. See? Now it's in. And then I'm going to just put the housing back in, or the bolts back into the appropriate holes. Okay. Okay guys, so we're all done. I'll put the bolts back in, screw them out, and now this thing should not come out anymore. It's secure. So there you go, secure now. And all these guys are secure as well. Okay, so let's test it. Looks good. Opening, we're going to close it. Still on the rail, looks good. Opening one more time. Still there, still on the railing. Perfect. All done, guys. Just make sure it's still in there. Looks excellent to me. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.